Japanese wasn't cool. I got bullied. I got things thrown at me in cafeteria because I was eating pocky sticks. Stuff like that, you know what I mean? Like, it wasn't cool. So, I didn't speak Japanese for like 10 years and I lost it. Then I met great friends that kind of made me realize, you know, how great it is. So, I put together things I like. I like food, I like culture, I like games, I enjoy music, I like anime. I put this together based on what I think people would like, you know? And I never would have thought that people would show up. Because I was, you know, like it's hard to find friends like that, you know, back in the day. But now we have events in different cities. We get thousands of people in 3 days. And I just, you know, what makes this great event, this event great is you guys. Because everybody here, I don't care where you come from, you know. Whether you're a performer, me, you, right? Or you back there, it don't matter. You like the same thing. Right? Oh, hell yeah. We all like the same thing. So for next 3, well, now 2 days, right? I know you guys got things going on in your lives. You gotta go back to work. I get it. But for 2 days. So you guys came today, right? Somebody was here yesterday. Yeah, you guys were. My goal is this. For every single person that's in this hall, remember how you felt when you walked in through that door the first time. I want you guys to feel our community, my culture, you're right, my people, Japanese language, whatever it is that I was born with. I want you to feel like a little bit closer to you. I just want you guys to like who we are and what we have to offer just a little bit more. When you leave, compared to when you walked in. That's all I want. You know? So, we all have things in our lives and it's all good. Me too. So, I hope that you guys enjoy this as much as I do. で、あと日本人の皆さんですね。
頑張れ。
あと日本人の皆さんですね。僕たちは日本代表ですので、ここにいる皆さんにおもてなしの心を全力で見せてあげてください。お願いします。So, I'll end with this. This hoodie. He's here. He's here. So whatever you're looking for today, some of you guys know what this is, right? It's Sanji. He's here. I'll check him out in a minute. So enough from me. なんでまあ楽しんでください。ありがとうございました。